Welcome to the world of gourmet pizza, where the art of crafting the perfect pie is as rich and varied as its history. Let's dive into the global journey of pizza, a dish that has captured hearts worldwide. From the wood-fired ovens of Italy to the bustling streets of New York City, pizza has evolved. Each recipe in the Pizza Bible by Tony Gimignani reveals secrets to mastering this beloved dish, whether it's your first or 100th time making it. Turning our attention to the book's Pizza, a Global History, offers a fascinating look at how pizza has woven its way through cultures around the globe. It's not just food, it's a cultural phenomenon that tells stories of time and place. In the kitchen, the right techniques matter. The Art of Pizza and other resources like Jamie Oliver's videos guide enthusiasts through the nuances of dough, sauce, and toppings that make each bite memorable. Now, let's talk about innovation in pizza. With podcasts like The Pizza Show and Pizza Business, listeners gain insights into the latest trends and business strategies that are shaping the industry today. For those looking to fine-tune their craft, online platforms offer a treasure trove of courses. Masterclass and the Pizza Chef online courses are perfect for deepening your knowledge and skills, whether you're a home cook or a professional. Technology also plays a pivotal role. AI tools such as Foodie and Yumly are revolutionizing how we discover imperfect recipes, making gourmet pizza more accessible to everyone with an internet connection. As we wrap up, remember that every slice of pizza tells a story. Whether you're exploring new recipes or perfecting the classics, the journey is as delightful as the destination. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying pizza.